Hi, I am Joan Lok. Many students has asked, and this is response to their request. I'm going to teach a workshop on painting songbirds. Many sumi artists would like to add a little bird to their flower painting, but have a hard time drawing a bird convincingly in sumi brushwork. So in my workshop, I will have a lot of information so you understand the anatomy of the bird, the structure of the bird, and then we will talk about how to convert a little bird into sumi strokes. And then on the strokes, I will have detailed information on how to do the work for the beak, the eye, the legs, the wings, and so on. Because I have so much information, instead of 1 day workshop, it's actually a 2 day workshop. The first day, we'll talk about the basic structures, markings, and things like that. And on the second one, we'll dive into more details such as the wing structures, wing shape, tail shape, and also very importantly, the bone structure of the legs so you can draw crawl very convincingly. So this 2 day workshop, we will have it on 2 different Saturdays, 1 week apart, so you have enough time to do a lot of practice on the information that you have obtained. And on top of that, I will explain how to have minute changes, and you can have bird in different gesture, and you can see the back of the bird that you can show off the markings, or you can have the front of the bird that you can see more of the chest, that you can see more of the face. And this 2 day workshop on 2 different Saturdays will be in July on the 17th and the 24th. And I hope to see you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sign up today.